Footwork, let's go. Just short steps so you can control it. Competitor, take your position. Set. Go. Reset, get a good pick, let's go. Get a good pick. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Flow with the weight, let's go. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Halfway there, let's do it. Halfway there. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pass me. All you gotta do is pass me. Let's go. One more big pick. Finish it out right. Somebody's about to pass you. Let's go. Pick it, pick it. Go, go. Just push it. Push it over. Push it over. Competitor, take your position. Set. Go. Make sure that's off your legs. Let's go now. There you go. Go, 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 go. Next one, next one, next one. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Make up time. Let's go. Make that time up. Dump it in. Dump it in. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Lean back. There you go. Now you got it. Now you got it. All the way through. 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 Straight back. Go, 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 go. Get it now. Get it now. Let's go. Let's go. Straight back. Straight back. Straight back. Straight back. Big tug. Big tug. Let's go. Let's go. 5 more feet. 5 more feet. 5 more feet. 2 more feet. Stop. It's good. There you go. All right. Competitor, take your grip. Set. Go. Chest, chest. Get that turn, get that turn. Start pulling back on it now. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Straighten it out, straighten it out, straighten it out. Let's go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Squeeze those hands, squeeze those hands. Squeeze them, squeeze them, squeeze them. Every inch counts, let's go. Every inch counts. Chest up, chest up. Let's go, let's go. Ooh, pick that shit, let's go. Speed it up, speed it up. Somebody's about to pass you, pick it up. That's the easy part, let's go. Pass the line, pass the line, pass the line, pass the line. There you go. Set. Go. Get it there, get it there, get it there. Double over if you have to. Speed, speed. Tip it up. Let's do it, let's see what you got. Get that thing up there. Let's go. 2 over. Let's load this thing. Go.